Hey, this is Chris, and I'm going to take a moment here to talk about field harvested stone. There's a lot of rock that's field harvested from around the country, especially here in California. This is known as Sonoma moss rock. It's field harvested, shockingly, not anywhere near Sonoma. But the important thing about this is that it's all hand harvested rock. So obviously every time the crazies in Sacramento go to work on fuel taxes, labor regulations, and every other nitpicking idea they have to micromanage society with, the cost of this goes up. Also, this is not like a screened rock. Like if you say, or if you're expecting something like, 4 to 8 inch Noyo, okay, that's mechanically processed and is going to be fairly symmetrical or fairly uniform in all of its size situations. This is field harvested. That means it's going to vary considerably. One, because the rock itself is just coming out of the ground, so some pieces are more irregular or rounded than other pieces. And two, because the longer someone's out there picking it up, probably the less discriminatory they become in the size. So this is 7 to 12 inch Sonoma Fieldstone. And as we can see, there are pieces larger than 12 inches perhaps. And there's probably a few pieces smaller than 7 inches. But that is field harvested rock. If you want something that's natural, expect to get a very natural appearance for the material when it's arriving. I, of course, am getting to first-hand experience with this because the pallet split and I have to repalletize the whole thing. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity to point out that while this rock is very beautiful, it's very irregular in its size and shape and packing.